A very warm welcome to all of you in this video where I would be speaking about the latest processing time of culturally arranged marriage visitor visa for New Zealand. My name is Parvinder and I am a licensed immigration advisor with over 16 years of experience in dealing with New Zealand dependent visas. I urge all of you to watch this video till the end, as in this video, along with speaking about the latest processing time, I would also be speaking about the mandatory conditions which the applicants must meet if they would like to apply visa under culturally arranged marriage category. After submitting their application under culturally arranged marriage visitor visa, the applicants can expect a decision of their application within 3.5 weeks. This is the latest time frame on the website of Immigration New Zealand. So once the application is submitted, you may expect a decision within 25 days. Applicants must take care that they submit the complete application for the successful outcome of their visa. If you would like to apply for your visitor visa under culturally arranged marriage visa category, there are two mandatory conditions which you must meet. The first one is that your marriage must have been arranged by someone else other than you and your partner. So the third person could be a family, a friend, or a matchmaker. This is the first condition which is compulsory to meet. Secondly, your marriage must have followed the cultural norms and tradition to which you belong. So these are the two conditions which must be met for the application to be approved under this category, along with other conditions. Friends, I hope you find this video useful. For any query you may have about visitor visa for New Zealand, please contact West Highlander. We are a team of experienced and expert counselors who can help you throughout the process. Thank you.